Okay, so the sandals are in and I'm gonna wear my running shoes. I'm gonna bring only kind of two dressy-ish outfits for going out. They're two tunics with leggings. Let's see, then of course, very important swimsuits. I have 2.5 swimsuits that I have rolled up. I'm gonna pack them in there. I also have sun shirts, which can sort of double as swimsuit covers. Here's another official swimsuit cover up. Let's pack in underwear and socks in there. One more really relaxed casual sloth t-shirt. We'll put that in there. Some more sort of dressy, more age suitable blouses. Okay, got that in. Of course, pajamas. We need pajamas. We'll pack that in there. And then all the bottoms. So I have 1 pair of leggings and 3 pairs of shorts, one of which is a skirt. So should let me dress up a little bit. Counting on being able to do laundry on a pretty regular basis. So hoping that all goes smoothly. So that is that. A couple of extra things. A pool mattress and a pool noodle, and then a toiletries bag, and I have this really cool laundry detergent that is super easy to pack, and a few other little things in here, my goggles for the pool, and I'm going to pack that all in. Now this closes pretty comfortably, and I have one more bag that has all my electronics. And in addition to the electronics, it has some snacks and one more bag of toiletries with all the liquidy things that I have to show when I go through customs. So this is what I'm bringing, and it will probably not be enough, but I can always buy an extra toothbrush or whatever I need to supplement what I've missed. I hope you'll be able to pop in and join us and comment on the blog. I'm gonna try to update this every day with some new adventure that we're having during our 90 days in Mexico. So please do come and join us. Bookmark 90daysinmexico.wordpress.com. Thanks. Bye.